gun control for war or for peace. Gun control is generally refers to law or policy that regulate manufacture, sale, transfer, possession, modification, or use of firearms. Nowadays, we should aware about guns because some teenagers really know how to use it. It seems our country had an obsession with owning guns with law allowing our citizens to use or the right to bear arms. Therefore, taken advantage of it. It's cooked at anyone who tries to interfere, yet one might understand with someone would be so defensive over something so dangerous. For this reason, away with many others, I do believe that gun control is necessary for today's society. Gun control will play a major part in the decreases of the crime and murder rate. There will be also the decreases in accidental shooting, especially those among children. With stronger gun control in our country, the crime and murder rates will be decreases. Gun control is an effort to stop the rise in violent crime by strengthening law on the ownership of firearms. This law in gun control aims to reduce the criminal use of guns as much as possible without interfering with illegal guns use. There are many different ways to choose the issue of gun control. No matter which way you look at it, the arguments will go on. Because we understand that people always have different opinions. And regarding with this, some people may approve about this law or keep disregarding it. For my own perspective, a gun is a mere tool when man cannot behave responsibly and therefore needs to protect for his own good. That's why we have a law to guide and protect us. The mere presence of gun in this point of view will cause a good man to lose his senses, to begin to kill his fellow men. Then I conclude that if there are two guns, then man will keep on. Competing in society will not be in peace. So there should be gun control to attain the peace.